Sadly, we live in a world and a country with a lot of waste. The good news is, we can divert a lot of these waste items from landfills and utilize the materials they're made from by recycling and composting. Restaurants exemplify an industry that can be highly wasteful. This also means, however, that restaurants which properly implement waste reduction strategies can make a huge difference. To get a better idea of how waste items can be managed in a restaurant and highlight a local business that's committed to sustainability, we're going to take a trip to Biscuit Head. Determining how to properly dispose of items found at restaurants can be tough. The majority of disposable items that restaurants use, especially to-go items, should not go in the recycling bin. For example, conventional plastic items like ramekins, cups, lids, clamshells, cutlery, and straws tend to be difficult to sort and/or lack a viable buyer in our area, and thus the materials recovery facility is unable to accept them. These items must, unfortunately, be sent to the landfill. Biscuit Head does an excellent job of utilizing compostable to-go items. It's important to remember, however, that these items should not go into recycling. Plant-derived plastics can't be recycled with petroleum-based plastics, and paper to-go items tend to have a wax coating or food residue on them. Be sure these items make it into the compost and not into the recycling. If compost is not available, then they need to go to the landfill. Restaurant items that should be recycled include cardboard coffee sleeves, metal cans, and glass bottles. Now that was a lot of information. It's crucial to convey that information to customers with clear and concise signage. These displays even include the physical items themselves. Now let's talk about some items in the back of the house. Commonly used kitchen materials that can be recycled include metal cans, cardboard, plastic jugs, and plastic tubs. Kitchen items that seem like they could go into the recycling, but really should not, include aluminum foil, dishes, and paper towels. Clean and dry plastic film and styrofoam can be recycled at certain facilities, but cannot go into the regular single-stream recycling. The reality is, restaurants often have to use large amounts of disposable items. When those waste items are sorted properly, it makes a huge difference. Join Biscuit Head in the effort to make the restaurant scene less wasteful.